festivities that will be launched the week of July 29th, 2017 in celebration of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. This is action that you as a body have been taking each and every year in appreciation for the activities that surround this celebration each year. And certainly it has led to a group of awareness of the Gullah Geechee Nation activities throughout the coastal area of our state each year as it has in the past. And again, we are asking you to adopt this proclamation, encouraging the citizens of Georgetown County to participate in various educational activities that are aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. So we certainly urge you to adopt this proclamation. And Mr. Chairman, assuming that you do faithfully respond, if you have any between requests, we go next year we'll be here to accept the proclamation.
Any questions or comments to this committee of the council? Not, we will entertain a motion.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the adoption of proclamation number 2017.
Motion by Mr. Allison, is there a second?
Second.
Second by Mr. Carolina, discussion. All in favor? Opposed, the motion carries. The proclamation is presented.
Good evening, everyone. Glad to be here one more again in Georgetown County, South Carolina. Glad to be here with the council. And glad to be in what we call Carolina Bull Country, right here in this county. And this year, bless up evening for true, the thing like that, every time and divine timing for 100 children for having me here, because the other rest of the children won't keep me in Beaufort County, South Carolina, but I did this evening, but I haven't done a promise y'all like coming up the river, so I did. So for all of you who don't speak Gullah, just want you to know they wanted me to be at the City of Beaufort meeting tonight to get the proclamation, but I told them I was coming up here to Carolina Gold Rice Country with y'all in Georgetown. And I thank you for this evening being so divinely ordered that I have family here, Gullah Geechee family, the Pilots from Sandy Island that are here for this time. And I know they were here a few years ago when you presented this, and so it's an honor to have them here because Sandy Island is one of the critical islands of the Sea Islands where our traditions and culture and family compounds still exist. Now, 100 children that get in and crack the teeth like they shut too much over there and things like that, but it's still a week. And so we're happy that they're here tonight. And then I'm blessed to be here with people that I've been standing with on this coast on a long journey, it seems like, that we thought we won already. The group that's something I don't drink, but something I stand for, soda. All right? I'm very proud to be a part of this soda and to see that it's bubbling so fast, so hard, so strongly to make sure that offshore drilling is never done here on the Gullah Geechee Nation's coast. We would not have this coast continue to be a place of sustaining our culture if we had an oil spill here. And we also don't need any type of firing of any gun to run off any creatures in the waterways. Because as most of you know, that's how we literally sustain ourselves, is through seafood here and with a leaf plate of rice on the side. So we are so thankful as a whole in the Gullah Geechee Nation that Georgetown County still proudly holds on to Gullah Geechee traditions, heritage, and culture and celebrates with us every year. So once again, council, thank you for this year. And we want to be shouting for Hunter and with Hunter. I gave you invitations to come. This coming Saturday is the launch of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week at historic Mosquito Beach in Charleston County. And the following weekend, the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Fest is on my home island, St. Helena Island, so 3 hours south. I think y'all owe me a drive in my direction. I don't want to drive on this side. So come on down, bring a van load, bus load of folks, and we'll be right there enjoying the weekend. And if you want to follow us, it's at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, at Gullah Geechee on Instagram, Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook, and Hunter Children can keep up with all of what is going on throughout the week. Thank you, Georgetown. Much love to the entire family.
Thank you.
Thank you.